Hello everyone, I Savita, PGP Computer Science from Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Muthalada, Sonipat, with the topic Mail Merge. Mail Merge is the facility of the MS Word. So let us look at the MS Word. Now see what is Mail Merge. Mail Merge is often used to print or email from form letters to multiple recipients. Means suppose you want to send a single letter to many persons. So mail merge is the one of the facility or features available in MS Word. Mail merge is also used to create envelope or labels in bulk. The mail merge feature of Microsoft Word is a great way to produce a large number of personalized letters or labels in a short amount of time. Steps in a mail merge. Basically, mail merge include two steps. First means there is one letter and that letter, the mail merge process basically involves taking two files and merging them together. The first is a letter which is basic a Word document. The second is a list of recipients. So look at the practical implementation of mail merge. So you all are familiar with this window of MS Word. तो ये हमारी MS Word की विंडो है. Now suppose I already typed one letter in this. Dear parents, I'll write a letter about COVID-19 to the parents of the students. So this is one letter that I already typed and save it as a name, letter to parents. Let it letter be anyone. Like for example, you want to send the student's record to the principal. You want to send the student record to the parents. Letter may be anyone. तो ये हमारे पास suppose you want to send the birthday invitation of your brother to many of your relatives and friends, in which the content is same but the address of the persons are different. So we don't have to write the letter again and again. We just have to we just have to change the address of that person. So there are one step. First we have to open the mailing option. First we have to go to the mailing option. Then there is the option start mail merge. In the start mail merge we have many options. We have to choose step by step mail merge wizard. There is a step by step mail merge wizard. Then there is at the right end of the window, there is a select document type. We have to select the letter, email, message, envelope, label or directive. Suppose we select letter. Then we have to do the next step, that is the next starting document. Select starting document. Use the means you want to use the current document or you have to choose the document from the template or start from the existing document. Suppose my cursor is here, so this is the current document. And next step we have to select the recipient, means the person कि हमें जिनको letter send करना है. We have to send that. Then next is a use an existing list. में suppose हमने कोई list बना ली है, उसको हम यूज कर रहे हैं, हम अपनी कोई लिस्ट नहीं क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. सपोज आई हेयर चूज अ ऑप्शन टाइप अ न्यू लिस्ट, देन दिस वी हैव टू क्रिएट. In the create, we have many fields: title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state. Suppose if we don't want all these fields, so we have to customize our column. In this customize column means we can delete or add entry according to our wish. Suppose I don't want last name in my table, so delete. Yes, I don't want address line to delete. I don't want zip code, delete. Work phone, delete. Email address, I want to delete. You can also add your own field according to your wish. Suppose I have this field: title, first name, company name, address line, city, state, country or religion or work phone. Suppose, okay. Then we have to do the entry. Title, suppose Miss. Then we have to choose option tab, Sanya. Company name, suppose BSNL. Address line, Model Town. City, Sonipat. Then state, Haryana. and then country India. And work phone, let it be any. Then next tab means we have to do next entry. Suppose Mr. Tab Ram BSNL Vodafone company, let it be any. And address is a Kabirpur, city is a Karnal, Haryana, tab is a India, let it be any. Next, Miss Savita, Infosys, address is a Old DC Road, and city is a Sonipat, Haryana, India. Phone number, let it be N. Tab. Now the next entry is Miss Kavita, HCL, address line is let it be anyone, Adarsh Nagar, Sonipat, and Haryana, India, and phone number be N. So we have to do OK. ओके तो ये हमसे क्या मांगेगा कि अब हमें उसे जो हमने एंट्री बुक लिस्ट बनाई है तो उसे हम किस नाम से सेव कर रहे हैं. सपोज हमने उसे नाम सेव कर दिया मल्टीपल पर्सन. सपोज हमने नाम सेव कर दिया उसे एड्रेस 1 के नाम से हमने इसे सेव कर दिया और ये हमसे पूछेगा कि हमें कहाँ सेव करना है. वी हैव टू चूज द लोकेशन. सपोज आई चूज डेस्कटॉप हियर. एड्रेस 1 सेव कर दिया उसे हमने. देन ओके. Then write your letter. Next step is a write your letter. Then next is a preview letter. Complete the merge. Suppose here is in this we have to more items. Pencil, dear parents, my cursor is here, dear parents, and my cursor is here. Then we have to add more item means we have to include title, insert. We have to include first name, insert. Then company name, insert. Address line 1, insert. City, insert. State, insert. Work phone, insert. Then these all fields are inserted in my document. Title, first name, company, city, state, work phone. These all are inserted in my letter. Then next we have to preview the letter. Then complete the merge. Preview the letter means there is Kavita, and if we preview the here it is one Sanya, and letter is same to one person, and then Ram Vodafone, letter is same but only address is changed. Here see 4. तो ये हमारे पास क्या हुआ, सिर्फ लेटर हमारा सेम है, कंटेंट हमारा सेम है, बट हमारे पास क्या हो गया, यहां से देखिए रेसिपेंट नाम चेंज हो रहे हैं, यहां से कंटेंट सेम है, सिर्फ एड्रेस जो पर्सन का है, रेसिपेंट एड्रेस है वो सेम हो. फिर हमें क्या करना है, कंप्लीट द मर्ज ऑप्शन. So this is the complete steps of mail merge. In mail merge, you have a one mail and you have to merge that mail to many persons with a different address with the same content. So I hope कि आपको ये टॉपिक क्लियर हो गया होगा. Mail merge is one of the features of MS Word in which you don't have to write the letter again and again to many persons. Hope you all are safe at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.